how do you, if you're just a brand new investor, start investing? And if you're already investing, how do you, sort of like, diversify your portfolio? What should you be investing in? What things should you be looking out for? What's the process which you go about educating people? Let's go through step one. What's the first thing?
Yeah, I think first thing, whether it's 101 or you're as sophisticated as a day trader and you do it for a living, is the whole get rich scheme thing. Like, get that out of your head, right? Before you do anything, you have to put your time in. You have to do your research. I had Gary Vee on yesterday. We were talking all about NFTs. Soup to nuts. I said, okay, listen, Gary Vee, there's going to be a ton of people that listen to this podcast that don't know what an NFT is. And just for the fun of this conversation, Jordan, I went on my Instagram. I polled my audience again, and about 86% of them said they couldn't explain what an NFT is. So I said to him, how do people get started in these new opportunities? His exact answer was 30 to 40 hours of research. Do not put $1 into anything until you're doing your due diligence and you're doing your research. And I think whether it's NFTs, it's cryptocurrency, it's looking at the next best stock, you have to do your research and you have to partner with people that do have the time. I'll give you an example. I'm busy. I got a lot of shit going. I know, Jordan, it's 9 a.m. over there and you've had 6 meetings. You're the same way. How the hell can I sit there and analyze the market every single second of the day and be an active day trader? I can't. I could be a swing trader at best. What do? I hired a day trader. I have a guy that works on my team, Ashton Nolan. Every single second of the day, he is plugging through everything. And I got a full report today. I mean, I could tell you right now, he's looking at Uber because 67% of analysts are seeing upside. He's watching for the bounce off $43. For small cap, he's looking at Open Door. He said there's a huge gap after positive earnings yesterday. So I think in general, if you're not partnering with the experts in all the different fields there are to find investments, crypto, NFT, small caps, large caps, penny stocks, you're doing yourself a disservice. And it's the easiest way in the world to connect with people.
No, it's a good point. And so I always say that, listen, I say, it's one thing if you're going to literally sit there and learn this shit, at the deepest level, be connected, have access to all the latest information. Then you could do some short-term trading. But in the absence of that, you really need to be looking at a longer-term horizon. So if you don't have that much time, to me, it's far more savvy for a person to sit there and sort of more buy and hold strategy. Because if you can't look at this stuff, if you need to sort of set it and forget it, to try to have this ultra short-term mentality, to me, is very, very dangerous. What do you think about that?
I think you're 100% right. And I think the thing is, like, before we started the show, a little behind the scenes, guys, we were talking about a big deal, 10 million plus that Jordan's talking about, right? Now, if we go and take the opposite of that and we talk about retail investors, who are the people that are now in the game, Jordan, I don't know if you're seeing it when you're doing your TikToks or you're having guests on, but the same people that are trying to put all these strategies together of how to get rich quick and make these plays at certain stocks are the same people when you talk to them for 5 minutes and you ask them about what their financial profile looks like, they're buried in debt, right? So we got to take care of your debt before you start worrying about making millions and millions of dollars.